we're going to look at how to create an image using Google Drive that you can then import figures and then download the image, creating diagrams for gymnasiums or outside in the field. So if you log on to your Google Drive, it's the emblem looks like this. You have your account and it will list the sort of files that you have in your drive. What you'll notice here is that you can create different types of documents. This is like a Word document, this is like Excel, and forms and drawings. But the one I'm going to work with is actually called presentation. Now inside presentation, it looks like a PowerPoint. So you get like the slides, and you have a choice of different ones here. We just use a simple white one to start off with. This can be done in different types of forms. So you can change the layout by choosing any one of these. So in this case I've got a blank one. And what you can do with this one is insert any images that you might have on your computer or what you've downloaded from the internet. And basically you can choose an image or just drag it here. So if I wanted to choose, if I click on here, it goes to my desktop. I have a set of images here that I've used in the past. And I can take any one, for instance, of these figures, a racket, and it will just be uploaded onto the slide, and I can then manipulate it wherever I like. As you can see, here's my little stick person, and I can make him or her bigger, even got a pair of eyes, smaller, and if I need more of them, I can copy, and I can actually paste multiple little stick figures into my thing. And if I want to make a lot of them, copy that and paste, I get lots of them, little stick figures. And if I would like to reduce them all at once, I can do that. And now I've got my stick figures, I probably need a court. So now if I go to insert again, as before, image, so I can actually do the idea of dragging. So here on my desktop, here I have a badminton court, just drag it in there. It'll upload, as you can see here. Now, because I want the court behind the players, if I click on it, it allows me to change the order, so I can send that to the back. And now my players are positioned on my court, and I could actually set up how I'd like them to set up for the game we're going to play, like so, in the gym. And that becomes a diagram that I can then save. And it's simple to actually save it, because all I do here is go to the file and say download as, and to use in other things you want to use a PNG or JPEG. And basically if you select one of those, you'll now save that diagram you just created into an image onto your desktop, which you then can use in another program like a Word document. So here it is, it's actually in my downloads folder. So I can put my pickleball players, give it a title, and I'll just move that onto my desktop. And when I click on that, it will show me basically an image I've created. And if I want to, in my viewer, whatever PC or Mac, if I want to just reduce that in size, I can go up to the tools inside the program and just crop it to whatever size I'd like it to be. So just choose crop, gets it down to a nice size, and then I can just save that version on my desktop. So then if I had a Word document, for instance, developing a lesson plan, and I wanted to put that as my culminating activities, I'm just going to insert so then in the Word document, Word file, you just go insert, photo, and picture from file. Then on your desktop, where you've hopefully placed the image, Google Players, you go insert. And as you can see, that would then appear inside your lesson plan. and as an image it could then be resized as needed. And if you wanted to, if you double click on that, it allows you to decide where you want to place it in this, on the text. So it can be square, type, behind, top, through. You can have it wrapped in line. So basically it allows you to add images as needed to your lesson plans.